Hello everyone, I'm Julie Adams, VP of Product Management for Sage Intacct. In this video, I will cover 2021 Release 2 highlights. At Sage Intacct, the product investments we make are all about your success. We want to help you transform the way you work by building products that enable you to work smarter and more efficiently than ever. 2021 Release 2 includes enhancements across three major themes. Best-in-class financials highlights include automation and streamlined workflow to reduce bank reconciliation time and effort, insight and tools to effectively manage the close process, more improvements to GL approvals, and tax solutions to support multinational companies. Deep cross-industry functionality highlights include more contract subscription billing and revenue management improvements, inventory, order entry, and purchasing enhancements, project invoicing improvements, as well as change management enhancements for early adopter construction customers. Best-in-class platform highlights include improved budget versus actuals insight and more powerful custom reporting capabilities. Now let's go into more detail on each of these highlights. 2021 Release 2 includes enhancements to help automate and streamline the reconciliation process. Expanded matching rules automate matching of bank transactions with Intacct transactions. You can set up rules with flexible matching criteria and group them into rule sets. Rule sets can then be shared and applied across one or more bank accounts so that it's easier to manage and maintain. We've also made it easier to navigate, view, and take action on bank transactions directly from the bank account list and detail screens. When you need to reopen previous reconciliation periods, we've made it easier to re-reconcile by maintaining the reconciliation state of transactions in the reopen period, so you can just make the necessary changes and re-reconcile. These enhancements reduce reconciliation time and effort. 2021 Release 2 provides enhancements to help manage your close process. We've made improvements to checklists and assignments, which can be leveraged to manage and track your close process. You can manage dependencies between assignments, have greater control over who can make updates, as well as more easily set up checklists and assignments with import capabilities. You can leverage dashboard components and reporting to get visibility into the close process. The close-through summary component provides centralized visibility into last close date by application, at the entity, or summary level. The checklist assignment dashboard component enables you to quickly see status of checklist assignments to complete the close. Checklist data is also available for custom reporting. You can leverage these enhancements to streamline and shorten the close process. We've further enhanced GL approvals. You can configure notification frequency to match how different types of users work. You also have better visibility into who the journal entry has been submitted to for approval, as well as easier access to journal entry attachments. In addition, you can review and approve journal entries more efficiently with AI-powered outlier detection, which has been expanded to flag any allocation splits that require a closer look. These enhancements help make the journal entry approval process easier and more efficient. We now support multi-tax solutions for multinational customers. You can configure each Intacct entity to use different tax setups. Intacct provides pre-built tax setups for specific regions to determine and capture taxes for transactions. You can also set up custom tax solutions for regions that don't have pre-built tax setups. Intacct supports specific regional compliance requirements. For example, Intacct supports electronic filing in regions like the UK, where electronic filing is required. We also support partial exemption for NFP organizations in the UK. 2021 Release 2 includes several contracts enhancements that improve the ease of setup and flexibility of subscription billing and revenue management. Billing improvements include easier billing price list setup using import, as well as the ability to track different bill-to contacts per contract line. Revenue recognition enhancements include improved control over project revenue computations and the ability to clear MEAs for all the main revenue recognition methods, including the predefined percentage method. These enhancements provide additional flexibility to efficiently manage your subscription-based business. 2021 Release 2 includes several enhancements to efficiently manage inventory in sales and purchasing processes. You now can manage and have centralized visibility to richer, expanded inventory item information. In addition to vendor customer cross-reference IDs, you can now manage item cross-references to substitutes, upgrades, downgrades, as well as complementary items. There are an additional 40-plus standard item attributes you can use for comprehensive item tracking, as well as visibility into item bin location information directly from the item detail screen. In order entry, you can look up substitute items to replace the current item, as well as easily look up complementary items to add to the order. In addition, you can look up and add specific serial or lot numbers for the items in the order. For purchasing, early adopters can leverage three-way match capabilities with exception handling and tolerance levels to efficiently manage variances between purchase orders, vendor invoices, and received items. 2021 Release 1 streamlines project invoicing so you can efficiently and accurately invoice customers for your projects. You can now easily flag and include billable credit card transactions during the project invoice generation process. You can configure Intacct to grant project managers privileges to directly edit and make corrections to the draft project invoices they generate before they are posted. We're continuing to enhance Intacct for early adopter customers in the construction industry. We've added more change management enhancements. You can manage project change requests and see the impact of change requests on your project estimates. You can also manage change orders on order entry documents. From the original order entry document, you have visibility into summary information, such as the original amount, total of draft change orders, total of posted change orders, and current revised amount. You also have visibility into all the associated change order details. These change management capabilities are essential for companies in the construction industry to track and manage project profitability. 2021 Release 2 includes enhancements to the GL Dimension Balances report. You can choose to just show actuals like today, show budget, or show budget versus actuals comparisons. The Dimension Balances report is a great way to quickly gain insight and analyze budget versus actuals. In addition to the GL Dimension Balances report, we've also enhanced custom reporting in 2021 Release 2. In Interactive Custom Report Writer, we're taking flexibility to another level by enabling customers and partners to join reporting areas on the fly. We've also added more fiscal-related attributes and measures to make it easier to create custom Interactive Custom Report Writer or Interactive Visual Explorer reports and analytics. Lastly, based on customer feedback, we've added a new option to output filter criteria in reports created using the standard Custom Report Writer tool. In addition to these product highlights, I'm excited to announce some training updates. We want to ensure you have access to the training you need to get the most out of Intacct. First, we've made it easier for you to connect to the Learning Center from within Sage Intacct. You no longer need to remember separate login information. If you're an existing Learning Center user, you can connect your existing account and keep all your course history with you. Once you're in the Learning Center, you can access all kinds of courses, including a new on-demand version of Sage Intacct Fundamentals training, which is now available to everyone for free as part of your Intacct subscription. This course offers the same level of knowledge and hands-on experience as our live class, but at your own pace and at your own time. This course is also eligible for 8 CPE credits upon completion. We have more improvements and additional courses in the works, so stay tuned. We've just covered the highlights of 2021 Release 2, but there are many more enhancements in this release. 2021 Release 2 will be available May 21st. You can learn more about all these features by accessing release notes and watching more release videos. Thank you for watching.